welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm gonna be doing it of a doggy. Can you guess what breed of puppy that I will be drawing today? Well, let me tell you, it has short legs. It is a corgi. So let's get started. Starting off, I'm gonna start with the corgi's ears, and you can see I'm doing these two triangle ears, but not like sharp pointed triangles at the end, more rounded corners. I find that when I do more rounded corners, the characters come out a little bit more cute that way. Next, I'm going to slowly work my way down the sides and draw the corgi's face. You can see the head is slightly tilted on one side, and I think it makes it cuter that way as well. If you want, you can untilt the head and have it look straight forward. Here, I'm just going to create some ridges to define the inner ear for the corgi. You can see there's a little bit of fur that sticks out in the inner ear as well. Doesn't it look so cute so far? I'm so excited. I'm really excited about drawing the face for the character. It's always like my favorite part. So here you can see I'm going to be adding on the nose and then now the mouth for my corgi. Next, I'll draw in the eyes, and for the eyes, I'm actually just going to do one eye like this, kind of like it's winking, and the other eye is just a black dot. You can get a little bit more creative and make the eye a little bit bigger or add eyebrows to create more expressions for your corgi. So just have fun and use your imagination and have fun with this piece. Here, I'm actually gonna have the corgi turn around and like winking at you while its tail and its back is toward you. So this is the hind leg, one of the hind legs, and here's the second hind leg. Isn't it so cute already? Okay, so this is the bottom for the corgi. Let's not forget the tail for the corgi as well. So let's add in a tail. It's gonna be a really furry tail, I think. If you want, you can make that furry tail a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller as well. This is also an opportunity for you to think about like what kind of background do you want to add for your corgi. Is your corgi at a birthday party or maybe at a park? And is it like rainy or sunny skies with rainbows on the top? Now that I'm finished the outline for my corgi, I'm going to start coloring in my corgi. Now you can see I have my black markers. I'm going to use that to color in the nose for the corgi. Of course, you can feel free to use other colors outside whatever color scheme you have available or marker colors you have available at your disposal. But for me, I'm going to use my orange marker to color in the top fur for the corgi and then leave some white patches. So let's start coloring. As I'm coloring, you'll notice that I'm trying my best to not leave too many white gaps and color within the lines. It's not always perfect, but that's okay. Part of coloring is enjoying the process and just having fun with it. So let's try our best and see how things go. Here I'm going to use my orange marker and just mark off like part of the corgi that I'm going to color in with like this darker orange, whereas the rest I'm going to leave as a white patch. So you can see I'm just carefully making this outline. We can see it's like doesn't have to be exactly straight. And then I'm going to do the same thing for creating outline for the body for the corgi before I start coloring it in with my darker orange. Let's wrap up our drawing by using a pink marker and just draw in some really cute paws at the hind legs for our corgi, and we're just about done. Like I mentioned before, feel free to add in a bit of background or maybe like a message. If you're planning on giving this as a birthday gift, it would be nice to have a happy birthday message on the side. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this step-by-step drawing of this really cute and adorable corgi. Isn't he so cute? If you've gotten this far in the video, I appreciate it very much if you would consider giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you're interested in more easy drawings like this, check out my YouTube channel for other doggies and puppies and kitties that I also draw step by step. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for joining me, and hopefully I will see you next time. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.